Students, I have shared one video with you about Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization. Why it is known as Indus Valley civilization? Because this civilization was situated in Indus Valley. सिंधु घाटी यानी सिंधु नदी उसकी ट्रिब्यूटरी यानी इंडस रिवर, हिंदी में इसको सिंधु कहते हैं और इंग्लिश में इंडस कहते हैं। तो इंडस और उसकी जो ट्रिब्यूटरीज थी, जो उसकी सहायक नदियां थी, उसकी रिवर वैली पर ये सिविलाइजेशन सिचुएटेड थी, इसलिए इसको इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन कहते हैं। दूसरा इसका नाम है हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन। इसको हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन भी इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि हड़प्पा फर्स्ट एक्सकवेटेड साइट ऑफ दिस सिविलाइजेशन, यानी ये पहला ज्ञात हड़प्पा स्थल है इस सभ्यता का, और यहाँ से मैच्योर हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन के सभी फीचर्स मिले। Why it is known as Harappan civilization? Because Harappa is the first site excavated. From here, all the features have been discovered from this mature Harappan site. That is why Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappan civilization. Earlier in my video, I described that Harappan civilization is divided into three phases: early Harappan, late Harappan, and mature Harappan. The total time period is 3300 BCE to 1700 BCE. The time period of early Harappan period is 3300 BCE to 2600 BCE. And the time period of mature Harappan period is 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE. And the late Harappan is known from 1900 BCE to 1700 BCE. In this chapter, we are studying all the distinctive features of mature Harappan period. What are the distinctive features? Here I have made a diagram through which we will study. First feature is planned urban center that we have discussed, Siddhartha and Lower Town. Artifacts, two type of artifacts, utilitarian artifacts and luxurious. Then third is burials. There were two types of burials, complete burial and pit burials. Then we had discussed about roads intersecting at right angle, grid pattern, and first roads were laid and then houses were laid. This we have already discussed. Now we have to discuss next one: drains, craft production, means of transport, weights and weighs, metal scale pans, seals and ceilings, script, subsistence strategies, and religion of Harappan civilization. We have discussed artifacts, planned urban, lower town, burials. Now let us come to the fifth feature of Harappan civilization. We see that drains were very carefully planned, and this is the most distinctive features of Harappan cities, and it was carefully planned. It seems that roads and streets were laid out along an approximate grid pattern intersecting at right angle. It seems that streets with drains were laid out first and then houses built along them. If domestic wastewater had to flow into the street drains, every house needed to have at least one wall along the street. It means they were very much familiar with the sanitation system, and the drains were covered. And drains, they took out the wastewater to the outside the civilization, clear? And then craft production. This is also one of the most distinctive feature of Harappan civilization. Many features, many things were included in craft production that you must remember. That is bead making. Then terracotta figures, weights, metal scale pans, seals and ceilings were prepared under craft production, and of course pottery was also prepared. Here it is written, right? So one of the most distinctive feature of the craft production of Harappan civilization was bead making. बीड यानी मोती बनाने, मन के बनाने का काम करते थे. मनकों का शेप कैसा था ये पहले हम देखेंगे. शेप्स वर सिलेंड्रिकल, spherical, shaped. And what type of material was used for bead making? Stones like jasper, crystal, quartz, steatite, carnelian was used. These were very precious stones. And metal was also used for beads making, that is copper, bronze and gold. तो जब आपसे पूछा जाए कि हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन के लोग किन किन मेटल से फेमिलियर थे तो आप बताएंगे कॉपर, ब्रोंज एंड गोल्ड. इसके साथ साथ वो एक और मटेरियल यूज करते थे, दैट इज शेल्स. वन मोर मटेरियल टेराकोटा, दैट इज क्ले, बर्न्ड क्ले. क्ले को बर्न करके पकाते थे और फिर उसको यूज करते थे. Let us go to the techniques. What techniques was used for making beads? You have to refer page number 11 of your textbook, right? Techniques that was used for making tools and as well as beads, that was first was the use of steatite. Steatite was a very soft stone which was usually used as a powder to make a paste, so that they can join two types of beads or metal along with the beads, or the mixing shell with the other types of stones. Second technique was firing. For example, carnelian was yellow in color, but usually carnelian beads are found in red color. It seems that yellow carnelian was burnt by firing, and then reddish color was found. So archaeologists' experiment have revealed that the red color of carnelian was obtained by firing yellowish raw material. Then third technique for preparing beads was chipping, making into shape. Fourth was grinding, fifth was polishing, and the sixth was drilling. And in this manner they completed and they prepared beads. Now let us see which were the centers of bead making. If we see minutely from page 11, we will come to know that Nageshwar, Lothal, Dholavira, these three sites of Harappan civilization are situated in Gujarat. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Mohenjo-daro, these three centers are situated in present-day Pakistan. From here, from these 6 sites, we discover, or archaeologists have discovered, bead making centers. As well as from these centers, pottery was also prepared. Some of the potteries, if you visit in Delhi Museum, the National Museum of Delhi, there you can go to the gallery of Harappan civilization and you can see pink color pottery of different shapes and kind of there. It shows that they know how to preserve food and etc. This pottery has been also discovered from the sites of Mesopotamian civilization as well as from the Egypt civilization. It shows that the Harappan people had trade connections with these contemporary civilizations. Let us come to the next craft making, that is, they were very familiar with boat making and carts.